Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shamsa Fazil from Peshawar Model Schools. Dear students, hope all are fine. Today which topic I'm going to explain, it is taken from your computer course of grade 1. Dear students, today our topic is parts of a computer. And our objective is students will be able to learn about parts of computer. Before going to start our topic, let's have a look on previous knowledge. See, here is the boy. Just like us, he also have different body parts like eyes, nose, ears, hands and legs. Dear students, do the eyes and ears have same functions? No. All the body parts perform different functions. So now take a look at computer body parts. Just like a human body, a computer also has different parts which have their own specific functions. The main parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. We can also connect a printer and speakers to a computer. These body parts together make up the computer system. Now let's see what are input devices. The data and instruction given to the computer is called input. A hardware component used to enter data and instruction into the computer is called input devices. Do you know most commonly used input devices are mouse and keyboard? So, mouse. What is mouse? Mouse is a pointing device. A mouse is used to draw pictures or moves the cursor on a computer screen. What is keyboard? Keyboard is used to give input data to the computer. Now, let's see what are output devices. Data processed into useful information is called output. A hardware component used to display information to the user is called output devices. Dear students, the most commonly used output devices are speakers, printer, LED and a monitor. Speakers helps us to listen to the music. Printer, it helps you to take the result on a paper. LED and monitor have same functions, so it shows the work done by the computer. Let's discuss a very important part of a computer. Dear students, do you know what your brain does for you? It remembers things and takes decisions. It also does calculation and many other things. Just like that, the CPU is known as the brain of the computer. The computer does all of its work through the CPU. Dear students, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It has 3 parts. So, first part is ALU. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. It does all the calculations. Second part is CU. CU stands for Control Unit. It controls all the activities of the computer. It tells other parts of the computer what they should do. Third part is MU. MU stands for Memory Unit. It stores data and information temporarily. Dear students, the storage media of computer is known as memory. There are 2 types of computer memory, primary and secondary. So, primary memory is the main memory of the computer. It is attached to the motherboard. Primary memory is of 2 types, RAM and ROM. Yes. What is RAM? RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is used for holding the data temporarily while the computer is working on. It gets erased when the computer is switched off. Now, what is ROM? ROM stands for read-only memory. It holds instructions put by the manufacturer to operate the computer. It is permanent memory of the computer. So, the secondary memory is used to store data permanently. It doesn't erases when the computer is switched off. Some common secondary storage devices are hard disk, floppy disk, CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. Hard disk. Hard disk is a magnetic disk. It stores all softwares and data. It is fixed inside the CPU. Floppy disk. Floppy disk is a portable storage device that allows you to store small amount of data. CD-ROM. CD-ROM is a portable storage medium that allows you to store 400 times more data than a floppy disk. DVD-ROM. DVD-ROM is a portable storage medium that is similar to a CD-ROM. However, it can store larger amounts of data than a floppy disk or a CD-ROM. So, dear students, today we learn about parts of a computer, input and output devices, and we also learn about storage devices or memory units. The computer's storage media is known as memory. There are two types of computer memory: primary memory and secondary memory. So, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe.